this activity is for all ages. You're gonna need paper plates, crayons, markers, colors, scissors, glue, and maybe a sponge or something that you have around your house to make some marks. Then you're going to fold your plate in half, and you're gonna cut with the scissors a half moon in the center, but you're gonna cut just the center and not all the way. You're gonna leave 1 inch before the end, and then you're gonna do a second cut, exactly the same, but this is gonna be like half of an inch, and once again, not all the way, leaving 1 inch before the end. And then you remove that extra paper, and your hat is ready for decoration. You open your plate and you fold the center, where you can play peekaboo with your baby and say how much you love your baby. To celebrate the birthday boy, the birthday girl, paint animal faces to play animal sounds. And don't forget, celebrations is important. It's very important to enhance self-esteem and the bonding with your baby.